Hi everybody, welcome to this week's weekly beer tasting with your hosts. We have
Garrett
and Andy coming at you with a really cool beer from one of our favorite breweries on the east side of Toronto. Garrett, what are we drinking and where is it from?
We are drinking Bestuto. This is from Godspeed Brewery down in the East End. This is an ESB, and I'm pretty excited to dive into it today.
One of our favorite craft breweries, a really kind of cool, chic, modern craft brewery. Something that's really unique about it is that it has awesome food, specializing in its Japanese style cuisine. As well as the beer is amazing, really unique styles that really influenced from Czech-German style. So a lot of lagers going on, but a lot of experimentation as well.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. And further to that, brewing those traditional styles like German and Czech-style lagers, they have now brewed an ESB. What is an ESB, you might ask? Well, an ESB is an extra special bitter. This is a very traditional style, made pretty popular in the UK back in the 1800s or so, and it's derived from an older style named bitter. But the style itself is not actually that bitter in its own drinking. It's actually a little bit more malt forward, and you're probably going to get a touch of sweetness from it specifically, but I'm going to dive in.
Me too.
Good all around. Very pleasant to taste. It's dry as a bitter should be. A little tinge of extra sort of hop, noble hops at the end, and really makes it very well balanced. Now, something key with extra special bitters is that they're not super hoppy, but they're also not super sweet from the malt base. It's a really good mix of both of those, and then goes down super smooth because it's more on the dry aspect. So it definitely hits all the points of a classic ESB style. Knowing the brewer from Godspeed, he likes to do everything down to a T, very scientific and methodic in how he brews his beer. And I'd say this is super reminiscent of the classic style.
Yeah, absolutely. So this ESB, pretty fantastic overall. You approve, Garrett?
Absolutely. And just look at the color. A shiny brownish caramel. Just looks appetizing with that little sort of bone marrow colored foam on the top. I could elaborate for days.
All right, well, make sure you stay tuned for next week's beer tasting where we showcase another one of Toronto's fine craft beers. Thanks again for watching, and from your hosts at Rolling Hops Beer Tours, remember,
craft beer
is here.
Cheers.